when you're going to now be paying for a particular service, although before, even though it really wasn't part of your cost as a buyer, you were hiring the agent to represent you. Now the world of value is going to come into play a lot more. It's not going to be common practice for the agent representing the seller to now be representing the buyer. While that really wasn't a big part of the market anyway, that's something known as dual agency. And if you've ever purchased a house in Southern California with regard to dual agency, there is a big disclosure that has a lot of civil codes on it explaining the entire process of dual agency. And breaking it down, basically, it's when you as a real estate buyer go to the same agent that the real estate seller is using and purchase that same residence. And that's the agent that you're going to select. Instead of having your own agent on your own side, you hire the seller's agent to represent you. And at that time, there was, again,